How to use your PLD listening device with the WPN2 app. First, turn on the PLD sensor unit, then select the WPN2 icon. Select the Tools bar, select PLD, select Record, and then we need to join the PLD to the WPN2 app. First, we enter the PLD sensor unit serial number. Then we select Join. We select Join again. Now the sensor unit is selected. We can go in and set our listening settings. Contact, high resolution should always be on. Back to the main screen, and we're ready to make a recording. Pause the recording, and we can save. Now the recording can be saved just like this and assigned the PLD number and the time and day that it was made, or if you've done the mapping, you can select the information icon to the right and tap the asset on the map that you were listening to. The asset is then assigned to the recording. Back to the main screen, make another recording. We pause again, save that recording, add a different asset. It's assigned to the asset. Now we've made 2 recordings. We can make another. We can just keep doing the recordings. Pause again, save, assign it to another asset. We can do that as long as we want. Very robust connection, very good sound quality. If you want to play these back at any time, you can just go into the toolbars, select PLD, and those recordings show up right off the bat. Select it, play the recording over. Very easy to use, very robust.